Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to start your own ginger indoors just using water and no soil. It's a great way to get your ginger started much earlier in the season. Take the advantage of a much longer growing season. You'll need a cup of water, some toothpicks, and of course some ginger to get things started. Just simply take your toothpicks, insert them around the ginger root in a couple of places, and insert it into the cup of water, making sure of course that part of the root is in the water, and let nature take its course. This is what your ginger root plant should look like after approximately 30 days. You can continue to keep it going in the water, but best thing is really to transfer it into your garden at this point, as it's ready to really start to grow and of course expand its ginger root size. After about 3 to 4 months in your garden, your ginger should start looking nice and large with shoots coming out, fully developed. And if you look, you can also see that there are new shoots coming out of the ground, which means that the root system is expanding, and that by fall harvest time you should have some beautiful fresh ginger to use for your cooking.